MC and welcome to a Mazda, but not my Mazda, a Mazda MX-5, because I don't own a Mazda anymore. Some of you might have seen the previous video and I ended up just spontaneously selling my RX8, and this is just a video to clarify it. It happened, the engine warning light came on and I sold it at the show. Go watch that video if you haven't already. There'll be a link somewhere, you can find it. And I was going to say today, but it's the same day. I'm now, well, I'm off to look at another car. So yes, this video is brought to you by carhuddle.com, the free online car show directory, which is how I found out about Goodwood earlier today. And now it's this afternoon, I'm with my girlfriend Chloe in her Mark II MX-5, and we're off to look at a potential next car. And this wasn't planned at all. Literally, I woke up this morning with no plan to sell my car or anything. I just kind of ended up selling it. So for now, here's a little montage of what I got up to in my RX-8 during my 4 months or so of owning it. Hi, I'm Adam C, and welcome to my new car, a Mazda RX8. You remember how bad the wheels were? They have done an amazing job. 3, 2, 1, go. I'm just about to act like a racer, what I'm about to do. Oh, look at that.
Oh, that is how you modify a car.
A young fan of mine called Kai has come up to me and given me a toy RX8. Pride of place. Opportunity to test out my limited slip diff. Hey, look at that. Combo shots, Doritos blue. Whoops. I'm the only one on the stand. Haters would say it looks awful, and it does. Right, I think it's my turn. The clutch is slipping. My engine warning lights come on. This might not be my car for much longer. That's it. But yes, why did I get rid of it? Because, well, a lot of it is explained in the other previous video, but basically, I didn't trust that car. I never trusted it. I wanted to do like exhaust, maybe lower it a little bit, do a few things, but I always knew that it would bite me one day, and it kind of almost did. So I got out of it whilst I could. The new owner is doing something very exciting with it, and yeah, you can see in the previous video what that was, and I just kind of wanted out. That's pretty much it. I only bought it as a temporary car. I've had my fun in it. I've done what you've seen I've done, but I think it was time to go. Right, now off to see a mystery car for sale, and then I'll report back to you once we've seen it. Right, so not a plot twist, but some time has happened since then and now. We went to see a car, it was no good, so we went to see another car, and things happened, and I bought a car. Well, I haven't paid for it yet, but we're off to Wales. We are now on the Severn Bridge, crossing over to Wales, and in fact I think now we're officially in Wales, and I'm picking up a car. So this is now a car pickup video as well as a tribute goodbye video to the RX8. So I've got my replacement lined up, and yes, back in the MX-5 with Chloe, and we're off to get it. So yeah, right, so here we are, and I'll catch up with you once I've bought it. So nervous. Right then, before I kind of reveal the car, which is just to my whatever side that is, let's have a bit of fun. This is a little bit of fun. Now here is a Mazda Badge, and I bought this recently because obviously I've got an RX-8. Well, no, I had an RX-8 at the time. I thought it's quite cool. I saw it at Bewley, thought I'll buy the Mazda Badge, and then it made me think Mazda is an anagram of Adam. You take the A, the D, the A and the M, and it spells Adam. It leaves over one letter, it leaves over a Z. It leaves over a Z. A Z is left, and a Z is what I've got. This is a Nissan 350Z Roadster. And this is my new car, so hardly the dramatic introduction, but this is the way I wanted to reveal it. It is blue, as you can see, just like the RX8 was. It's a fairly similar colour, a bit darker, a bit more purple in it. It's got the raised forged wheels on it, similar to the rotors, which are based on obviously the Volkswagen race wheels. It's got the Brembo brake calipers. In the orange that a lot of Zeds come with, and it is in, I think, a rather nice spec. Now what I wanted was something rear-wheel drive, something fun, something maybe two-door, two-seater, and definitely manual. So I put all those things in the Auto Trader, piston heads, everything search, and one of these came up and I thought, they sound quite nice. They have a 3.5 litre V6 with about 285 horsepower. It's not the fastest car in the world, only about 6.3 seconds, 0 to 60. But I thought, it's a bit of fun. It's fairly affordable car. But I went for the Roadster, the Cabriolet, not because I'm a hairdresser, but because I just like them. I think they look a lot better than the coupes. Now, I shall remove this roof in a little bit. But if we enter here, this is from a fridge freezer apparently, this door handle. We have a fairly simplistic interior. Again, fairly similar to the RX8. You've got leather, black leather, and heated seats, and cruise control. I've never used cruise control in a manual car before, only in automatic, so that'll be a bit of fun. Now there's not much else to point out really, other than what you can see. There's a massive Z on the dashboard. This is a glove box which needs a new spring. There's a aftermarket stereo which is delaminating. Normally they have a 6-disc kind of radio setup. This is a touchscreen thing that, I don't know, I may or may not keep. There's a cup holder here in case you're wondering. There's no glove box here, just the airbag. That's the glove box. And you've got a little thing there. There's my locking wheel nuts. And there's another cubby hole there, again similar to the RX8. And there's two little boxes around there, and there's a backwards Z there. There's loads of Zs around everywhere, like the RX8 had loads of triangles for the rotary. This has loads of Zs. Z. And I think the door handles are rather snazzy as well. Just a little feature. Now this does have a standard exhaust, but I shall open the door so you can hopefully hear it when I start it. And now that I've got it started, I can show you the roof mechanism. Now, in order to make the roof go down, you have to have your foot on the brake, mine my city shoes, and you open up this just to release it, and then you hold down the open button. I think this is pretty cool. It's a little bit hairdressery, but I think it's cool to own a car that does that in 20 seconds. That's fast enough. It's a shame you can't do it on the move, but I like that. I step back out the car again. You can see it in its transformed look as a Roadster. I like that. I think it looks cool. A lot of 350Zs are grey, and I don't like grey cars. I don't like black cars. I don't like white cars too much. I like colourful cars, so I went for blue. There's also red available and a really rare yellow, but I didn't think I'd find a Roadster in yellow, so I went for blue. And I think you'll agree this looks rather clean. Rather stunning. So yes, these might be changed. They're still loud enough to hear it, as you can tell, I think. Probably, maybe, who knows. But yeah, I think this is cool. I think this is very cool. I like this. I like it a lot. Now I'm sure I'll do some kind of review video on this car at some point, but I don't really know. I'm just going to close the roof because it is actually quite cold. Oh yeah, foot on brake. It's going to eat me. Thank you. Oh yeah, then you need to pull the handle down and then lock it into place. But yes, this is it, my new car, a Nissan 350Z Roadster. So let me know in the comments what you think of this car, what you think of my decision, whether you like it or whether you just want to give me some unnecessary abuse for buying a car that I wanted to buy for some reason. I don't know, if you're bored, do that. So yes, look out for this car and many other videos I'll be taking to events and all this. It's basically my daily car, but it's also a little bit more special, so I can take it to Reading Jap Meet and all the other shows here and there. So I will be filming more videos on the car, maybe get an exhaust, maybe do a few things to it, maybe, I don't know, ducktail. Ducktails are cool. I like ducktails. I probably won't get a ducktail. Should I get a ducktail? Should I get a ducktail? Say whether I should get a ducktail. or a big gay wing. But I hope you like my decision and don't hate me too much for buying it and not buying an MX-5, because I did look at an MX-5. I was going to look at a Z3. I was going to look at a Z4. But I went for this. There's so many other cars I could have got, but this is what I went for. This is what I like. And this is what I don't know, I think I prefer. And I'm glad. I'm going to stick to this. I am glad of this decision. This is a good decision. And I look forward to filming more videos of this car in the future. But for now, thanks for watching.